So sleeping on a comfortable bed just, you know, feels too nice.
Oh boy.
Booba. Okay, let's move on from Booba. Booba's fine. 5-minute craft, shame on you.
Yeah, I mean, that's an idea. What? 3D pen? 3D pen?
Ah, 3D dog.
Oh, 3D person.
Dog. We're all 3D, did you know?
I don't know. I'm 2D. They saw us on a video.
If you were two-dimensional, you'd only see lines. Do you only see lines?
I'm thinking about it.
Okay, so this is a nice little, that's a big project for a little 3D pen. Because those things take a lot of time and effort to use.
But as a hobby, I mean,
Yeah.
why not? I mean, it doesn't look complicated. Just
You have to make the skeleton, the structure and everything, and then afterwards fill in everything.
it's just the time's consuming.
Pretty good.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. I'm wondering how much detail they want to go in here. Is this like a full-on taxidermy thing where they're going to try to make it look like a real dog? Or are they going to stop short and leave us wanting?
I think they will make it more realistic.
Okay.
If they add some hair.
Smooth out with a soldering iron. Okay. Interesting.
That's how it works.
But are they going to put like fur on it and stuff? You know Caroline, the animated movie where her like she goes to another reality and she has like a spider mom and stuff that has buttons for eyes?
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's meant for kids, but it's actually terrifying. This is that. 5-minute crafts was like, let's do that.
Oh boy. Yeah.
Wow.
I see what you mean. Yeah.
No, the eyes are so bad.
I think they're gonna make it better to paint it somehow.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I hope they make it better. Hopefully they add like, you know, eyelids, like dogs have eyelids, I think. Right?
Yeah, for sure.
Right.
Don't leave it like so.
Oh, they're gonna leave it like so.
It's like
they're totally gonna leave it like so.
It's like a supernatural, the dog out of Supernatural, you know?
That's amazing.
Oh boy.
But also that's terrifying. That's horrible. Don't even do that.
Oh, boy.
5-minute crafts.
I don't know. I mean,
No.
Yeah,
We know that's not okay.
but
The rest of it looks good though. The structure and everything, the shape is good. Why?
Oh!
No.
What a waste of.
They better make something cool out of this one.
Yeah. Give us something. But I think.
It just now it looks like an arcade token. What? Oh.
Well, make a stamp. The cats.
I don't think that it would be that perfect, but okay. Interesting.
Yeah, I have those as well.
This is a nice little piece of jewelry.
It's a necklace for your cat.
Is it
or
for the
what?
human or for you?
We'll see now.
Interesting.
And they make a stamp.
It's a strange concept to have a cat wear a cat's paw on it. I think it knows what its paw looks like.
Yeah. But why they stamp it?
I don't know. I just to have like the texture, maybe like the popping out texture might be nice.
Oh, okay. So actually, you can do it once, you know, with a coin, and use it many times.
That's true. I've never seen this technique with a sandpaper to get that writ.
This
Ooh,
is business idea.
that's very cool.
Wow. Okay.
I like it. Okay, it still doesn't have a rope.
Okay.
Ooh, taking cat's measurements. The gentleman. Okay, so what are we gonna do with this now?
Oh.
Ah, it's like a
What
little piece of
tool.
leather or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
Nice. Okay. Ooh.
I love the
Ooh.
tool. Wow, it's satisfying.
Yeah, that's really nice.
What? Oh my god!
Excuse me.
Is it illegal?
I think it is.
Wow.
That's a cool tool.
Oh.
Okay. Now we're gonna staple that together, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Boom. Okay. I mean, do cats really care about their fashion? It's more about the owner than it is about the cat.
Just the owners want to make. Sometimes it's too much, I guess.
I think so,
They
yeah.
don't need it.
Yeah. When I see a poodle in a sweater, I just think you've gone too far. It's like you cut off all the hair around the poodle,
Yeah.
and then you give it more afterwards to compensate. Make your mind up, owners! The heck is that?
But okay, this thing it's kind of useful because I mean,
Of course, having a collar
Really?
is always useful. Yes, yes. And if it's stylish, even better.
yeah.
I'm just against
The
leather jackets and and sweaters on dogs and cats.
Oh,
Ooh.
recently I saw a guy who has a cat, and the cat has earrings.
Oh, that sounds not good.
That sounds, yeah,
Maybe a little
totally
abusive
wrong.
there. Yeah, let's not do that. That's like when they cut pit bulls' ears. That's a good looking little collar there. The cat seems happy about it. It seems like he approves, or she.
And what are you gonna do here?
Gonna get a little. Ooh, we have a little dandelion. Dandelion. Epoxy resin.
Resin.
Okay. Tennis ball.
Oh,
Okay.
I know where it's going. I saw it.
You saw this?
I mean, not this one, but I saw a similar thing.
Ah,
Maybe
okay.
this one.
Oh, so
I
is
remember.
it like a memory of a dog?
Yep, yep. And,
So more memorial dog stuff. What are you doing, 5 Minute Crafts? You trying to make me sad?
but actually, this is kind of nice. I'll be honest. I mean,
In the dog's ashes. Okay. Interesting.
oh what?
Yeah. Interesting.
I'll wait it. I'll.
That's
Okay, I
interesting.
take my word back.
Yeah. I mean, it's. I wouldn't put my dog's ashes in like a kitschy little, you know. It's nice, but at the same time,
but it looks. Let's be honest. It looks nice.
it does look nice. It
But-
does look nice.
There is some question.
It's a little questionable. It's a little questionable.
but I don't know.
It's okay if it makes you happy and you want to remember your dog. That's okay.
Yep.
We forgive you. And now they're making us sad again. 5 Minute Crafts.
What? Why?
What do you have against me being happy?
Oh boy.
Oh. The filter and everything is just too much. I am going to assume that this dog is also alive still, and that they're just doing this for a goof.
But we don't know on 100%. Who knows?
In my mind, all dogs are alive still.
I see. Of course.
It just makes it easier. That's neat. Ooh, puppy paw. All right, metal puppy
Alright.
paw.
Oh.
Plastic sheet. Wow, there's so much going on all at once.
Wow. I have no idea what is this.
Yeah.
It's like a place.
So they're taking a mold of the bed and then making a
Make it-
cement bed. They're like, let's make this bed more uncomfortable.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
chisel.
Maybe this dog has a problem with an bag. And
Yeah.
or, you know.
Yeah, he was in the war, so sleeping on a comfortable bed just, you know, feels too nice. I miss sleeping on the concrete ground.
Okay. This, to make some decorations, I guess.
Yeah. But why? Maybe like if you put another pillow inside of the thing, then it would look nice. That's just gonna confuse the dog. The dog's gonna try to eat
Yeah.
the cement.
Oh.
Not good.
But do you think they eat it because they look like
What is happening?
I think they eat bones because they smell some special or something.
I think they would like associate the look of the bone as well as the smell.
I think.
You think that they
No.
only see with smell?
I think so. Yeah, they don't care how it looks like. How? It's my opinion.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense, I guess.
So,
But I mean,
write us.
like a tennis ball doesn't really smell like anything, right?
That's another thing. They play with it.
It's a
don't,
bright color though.
but they don't eat it. You know, they just play with it.
I think if they could eat it, they would. I've seen a lot of dogs eat some rubber. That is very sad. Oh my gosh, no! The dog was alive!
What?
The dog was alive! That's so sad.
I mean, wow.
I'm sad
I'm
for Booba
speechless.
now.
I don't.
Booba, I don't even know you, but I love you. He's trying to eat the flower.
But you know, the thing is, I think she's alive. And
I
they
think
make
she's
it-
alive. They're just like, I want to believe that Booba is alive. Hashtag Booba is alive.
Yeah.
This is just trying to play on our emotions, and it's actually
Whoa.
making me very sad right now.
Wow. Oh boy.
5
Oh my god,
Five-minute
I get
crabs.
emotional
Yeah,
for
this
some
is
reason.
not cool.
Oh.